Angazi noma be considered presumptuous yini uma nginixoxela ngeViVi. Ngifuna ukuyichaza unequivocally, ngiyichaza scrupulously. Uyabona uma ngabe abantu be-pulchritudinous, winsome, be-handsome, spruce, wave and debonair, bene-joie vivre, i-ecstasy ne-euphoria ibuzwa kubona. Ngiqonda ukuthi be-illogofacial hypochondriasis, be-supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, kungeyona i-common documenting, engekho ne-exasperation, engekho crestfallen, futhi engekho perturbed, unequivocally iViVi le. Ngithi mina uma kungekho ma-predicaments nama-conundrum, engekho o-unscrupulous, iniquitous and contemptuous, engekho rambunctious owenza ama-shenanigans, kodwa kune-tranquility, kungekho acrimony, animosity, commotion ne-Donnybrook, wonke umuntu ezinodokial, epitome of the quintessential compatriots. Sonke sikholele ekutheni uNkulunkulu is the custodian of our quotidian quagmires and quandaries, unequivocally and irrefutable iViVi le.
DJ Kali Kali, you vi. Nyamazo Mr. Vi. DJ Kali Kali, you vi. Nyamazo Mr. Vi. DJ Kali Kali, you vi. Nyamazo Mr. Vi. DJ Kali Kali.
Is translucently construed. Akusekho umuntu agoga, akusekho umuntu ozoba ne-phantasmagoria uma khulunywa ngeViVi. Semkhulumile-ke mina DJ Kalikali, uMr. Vibe with a vibrant Vibe voice on vocal Vibe voices. Ojabula umuzwa, ujabula umbono, ujabula bekuxoxela ngaye. Insingize khale ekuseni, khale emini, khale ntambama, bahlabatheke.